Hey guys, this is OJ Nambudwe on TikTok. We are working on a T490 New Holland. It has got a problem with the clutch pedal which sticks. So we want to dismantle it and check what is the problem inside. So before we open the tractor, we need also to apply some safety features that you can come. So before you dismantle the tractor, first thing you need to switch off your engine, then make sure your clutch, your shifting gear is free, and your driving gear is free, and the power shuttle also is free. Then apply your handbrake and make sure that all the lifting arms are down. As you can see there on the tractor, all arms are down. Then the next step before we proceed to open the tractor, to avoid any short circuits, we just remove the terminals. Make sure, and any time when you remove the terminal, you start with a negative, then you finish with a positive. And when you are putting back, remember you start with a positive, then you finish with a negative. The reason is, if I put the negative first and I put the positive, at the point of tightening, if this positive come in contact with any part of the tractor, the body, it will spark and it can cause a short circuit. So the next step, we have opened the rounding bolts. Come this side. We have opened all these round bolts. We have our trolling jack here. Then we have our trolling stand here. So we want to dismantle the tractor. Maybe you can step behind so that they will see how we shall dismantle it. So we're not going quite tight. The other side. So, and also remember that you choke your rear wheels. So the next step, you want to push it and dismantle. Give me the feedback. Back. Make sure that I'm on the bend. Slowly, let's go. Shika yote vile tunasukuma, unasonga mbali. Let's go. Let's go. Kuna mtu huko sukuma. Okay, wait. Push. Push slowly. So come this side. Kuja this side. And let go. Unashuka paka refu. Napenda soka ndio ona. So okay, let's go. Let's go. So let's push. Let's go. There we go. So you need to put a safety stand in front. So the safety stand. So as you can see, it's that very simple. We have dismantled this tractor into two. This is the engine part, this is the transmission and the hydraulic part. So this is our clutch. This is the pressure plate. This are the driving fingers. and these are the PTO fingers. So the problem now it's inside here, because when you press the pedal, when you press the pedal and release it, when you release it, it does not go back fully. So we want to remove inside here, then we service the bearing and the coupling, then we fit it back and connect the tractor and see if it will work. Thank you. Remember to follow me on TikTok and YouTube as OJ Nambudie. In case you have any question, just inbox me and I'll answer you. Thank you guys.